Hello, I am Valentina Arteaga Ordóñez, and this is the activity 3, What Am I Doing? Picture 1, it's me. I'm a birthday party with some friends. I was wearing a red boy suit and jean, and we were handing out at the party. Picture 2, it's me on a street in my city looking at some flowers. I'm wearing a striped top and a jacket and a skirt. Um, it's me on the day of my bachelor's degree. I'm showing my diploma. I am wearing a long pink dress and a shiny white heels. We are my sister and I. We are in a restaurant eating brownie with ice cream. I am wearing a pink jacket and a colorful top. It's me with two friends, and we're in a magic salpeter, taking a photo. I'm wearing a yellow jacket and a jean. It's me with some friends in a restaurant. We are eating pizza, and my clothes are black jacket, a black top, and a jean. It's me. It's my sister and I at a party. We're eating pizza. I'm wearing a pink blouse and jean. It's me with my sister and some friends at a graduation party. We're having champagne. I'm wearing a white top and a jean. It's me at my penultimate birthday party blowing out the candle on the cake. I'm wearing a royal blue dress. And finally, it's me with a friend taking a photo at a party. I'm wearing a white black dress with baggy sleeves. Thank you.